Hey guys, Nandini here from Talent Canvas. Thank you so much for the lovely reception of my first video ad on Facebook about the online workshop. And so many of you have got in touch with me, and I'm so happy. And a lot of you have been asking me questions, sending me WhatsApp messages. It's truly amazing to to be answering those messages and even calling up some of you and telling you about the course content. So I thought, just to help you, let me record a video so that you get a clear picture of what is included as as a curriculum to this 5-day workshop. So I'm going to be sharing my screen now, and I'll show you the stuff that I'm going to be teaching in the 5 days of the online workshop. Okay, so it's a 5-day online live workshop on content writing. Primarily, the focus is primarily going to be content writing. That is the writing skills, the editing skills, how to write and edit content, and what are the different elements that go into content writing for your website and for your other social media platforms as well. Okay, so the primary focus is going to be web content writing. And on the day 5, I'll also be addressing the concept of digital branding and a little bit on the posting for the social media platforms. Okay, so day one is how to start your website plus the various types of content writing. Okay, so when you decide to become a digital entrepreneur, as I keep saying, if you want to master writing, then you are not supposed to master only blogging. Okay, there are many forms of content writing that can actually help you in growing your business and taking it to a very different level primarily. So I'm going to be talking about the free and paid options in terms of website creation. Okay, so many of you who come here, some of you already have free blogs, some of you have paid websites also, but many of you do not know how to create a website, how to start a website. So I will be addressing that first, and I'll talk about some free and paid methods that you can use to start a website of your own. Okay, then on the same day, I'll also be talking about the 20 plus forms of writing that you must learn and do business online. Okay, 20 plus is a fair number that I'm giving. There are many more forms of writing, much more than 20. Okay, many more than 20 actually. And every form of writing, any form of writing that you specialize in, it has like a very different vibration and different style and diction and a language methodology attached to it actually. So you can kind of go deep into one form of writing and turn it into a complete business if you have the writing skills actually. And if you think you don't want to really monetize on your writing skills, then with this course you can actually start a website, perform SEO, and you can create products that are not to do with writing also. Like for example, you may have a physical product, like say something like a toothbrush to sell. Okay, so you can create a website around it, do SEO, and write articles on that, about that toothbrush. Okay, put it there and you can actually start selling that toothbrush. So this course is not just for writers, bloggers, and marketers. It is for anyone who wants to go online and monetize their ability, their products, their services, and primarily go digital. Okay, like as I keep repeating on all my pages, go digital. Okay, because this is the right time to do that, right? Okay, so the day 2 is blogging in detail. I'll be talking about all the core concepts that is to do with blogging, and also demonstrating how typically a blog is structured and how to add the elements to the blog in order to make it really more interesting and really more monetizable. Okay, it's all, at the end of the day, it's all about making providing value to your readers, as well as deriving value out of that. So you have to have that mindset. And the whole idea of becoming a digital entrepreneur is to help yourself become financially free, to help yourself stand on your own feet. Okay, so that you don't have to depend on any employer or anyone else at this given point in time. As at this given point in time, a lot of people want to go digital, they don't know where to go. And many of you have messaged me asking me, there are so many digital masters, there are so many digital marketing teachers, whom do we choose, whom do we select? So the point is, it is not about the digital master or the digital marketer. It's about you. It's about you deciding to go digital. Okay, it is about you making the decision to go digital. It is very important for you to transcend all the fears, overcome all your inner inhibitions, and now this is the right time to go digital. And this is exactly the reason why I'm doing this 5-day workshop for just rupees 499, because a lot of people have been contacting me, but they're procrastinating the decision to go digital. Why? Because they're thinking too much. They're like, should I spend this 1,000 rupees? Should I spend this 5,000 rupees? Should I spend this 10,000 rupees? So that's why I said, okay, give it for 499 and help people go digital. Okay, so that's my genuine intention here. If you know me as a person, even if you don't know me as a person, just watch all my videos and you'll know to what extent I am out here on a mission to help people to my best extent possible. Okay, day 3, SEO concepts, on page and off page SEO. That's exactly required to rank high. Okay, now this is not an SEO course. Okay, it is not a detailed SEO course, but SEO concepts that are required to rank you high. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to be covering on day 3, and this will also be detailed. I'll go to my best possible extent to explain all the concepts to you, so that it is very, very easy for you to go and implement. And guys, on all the days I will be giving you activities. I'll be grilling you to literally go and do something and implement all the ideas, so that you can actually benefit out of this course to the maximum extent possible. Okay, this workshop. Okay, day 4 is a recap of all 3 days once, and then the tools and the automation. Okay, there are many amazing tools out there in the market that you can use to actually tweak your blog and add more stuff into your blog and make it very, very interesting. So I'll be talking about those tools, and I'll also be covering some more strategies, techniques on day 4, doing a complete recap of all the day 1, 2, and 3 and making it really more interesting. Okay. And although I'm saying that, this is like 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30 for the day 1, 2, 3, and 4, it might go up to 1.5 hours. Okay. Maximum of 1.5 hours. So please be prepared. If you're enrolling for this course, please be very, very serious. Okay. I don't want people who are just coming there, paying me the money and not attending. There are many people who are doing that. They give me like even 6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, and then they don't watch the programs. They don't attend my masterminds. They don't watch the video courses. So guys, my aim is not just to make money here. Okay. My aim is to, create a bonding with all those who really want to make it big in the digital world. Okay. Okay. Day 5 is digital branding and more in-depth study. Okay, digital branding is very important. Why? Because having a website alone is not sufficient. Okay, you have to have your social media profile simultaneously up and running. So I will be helping you with that on day 5, and I'll be covering a few more things in depth, which will be truly, truly exciting. Okay, there are some things that I can really promise you. One is the interest factor. You love the way in which I teach. Okay, I usually have a lot of fun and with whatever I teach, and if I'm not having fun, then I would rather not teach. But then of course I don't mean to say that we are coming here to entertain ourselves. No, it's not like that. We're here to learn something new and implement it then and there. Okay, so I will expect you guys to go back and implement it then and there, and uh, reap the full benefits of this program. Okay, so day 5 is how to establish your presence on digital platforms in addition to your website. So how the synergy gets created across the board, okay, across the social media platforms and on your website is what I'm going to be covering on day 5. And okay, which this I have not mentioned on the Instamojo page, but there is a bonus day 6. Okay, on which on the day, on that day, I'll be covering the question and answers, and it will be a maximum session of 2 hours. Okay, and the thing is, the date for the 6th day will be decided on the day 5, when you guys, I'll ask you what date is suitable to you. Most probably, I guess in a continuation, the Sunday should be fine. So the Sunday happens to be, what is the Sunday? So 11th is Saturday and 12th is Sunday. So most probably 12th of July is going to be the Sunday on which we'll have the question answer session, and and then we'll wind up the program. Okay, and then there's a list of bonuses that are available. Okay, so I'll give out all those bonuses to you on day number 5 or day number 6. Okay, I'm not giving out the bonuses in the beginning itself, because if I do that, then you'll take all the bonuses and you will not come for the online workshop. Okay, so I know a lot of you people will do that. So in order to make sure that you're taking full advantage of this, please be serious. Okay, the link, I'm just mentioning the link here, and you can just go and make a purchase on this link. Okay, just go to www.talentcanvas, biz online workshop. Okay, the cost is just $4.99 as of now. I don't know when all of a sudden I'll change the pricing, so please go take full advantage. See the list of bonuses. They are really, really worth the money. Okay, it's like day 5 of 5 days of in-depth coaching, day 6 of question and answers, and tons of bonuses. Okay, and guys, as a coach, as a mentor, okay, I assure you I will help you as much as possible in setting things up and standing on your own feet. As I said, my aim here is not just to do something, make money, and walk away. No, it's not that. I genuinely want to help many people. Why? I'll tell you the reason behind this. Because in the year 2009 and 10, okay, during the recession time, I had quit my job, okay, and I was sitting blank for a few months thinking what to do next. Okay, and I got many job opportunities to join the next job, that is, but I did not want to do that. And that's when the enlightenment dawned on me, and I started my own stuff. I started freelancing online. I explored everything on my own. I have struggled for about more than 5-6 years. From there on, I learned everything on my own. I did like tons and tons of programs. And then from 2015 onwards, after my father's demise, I had to go through a different kind of a grilling altogether. And then only in the year to 2019, I found my actual masters, who were able to guide me, and who have now helped me to set out on this path of digital coaching primarily. So guys, these days, let me be very brutally honest with you. Well, let me be very, very brutally honest with you. There is no security of jobs. Okay, no guarantee that you will not lose your jobs. Okay, let me be blunt with you. I'm a human resource professional. Okay, I know how companies work and how the environment works. I'm not blaming any company here, but then the point is, okay, the situation is really bad. Because of the corona situation, many companies are running in losses, and you cannot blame them for any layoffs or any kind of resignations they ask you to make. So in this situation, it is very, very important for everyone, okay, for everyone, right from working professionals to homemakers to entrepreneurs to business owners to digital marketers. Everybody has to master the art of surviving on their own, standing on their own feet. Okay, so take this sportively. Take whatever I'm saying, take it sportively. Okay, and please join my workshop. Okay, it's a humble request. Please join it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on www.asknans.com. Okay, asknans.com, www.asknans.com. Okay, just go to Facebook, search for Nandini Alagar. Just go to my Facebook page. You can straight away get in touch with me over there as well. Okay, Ask Nans will lead you to that page only anyway. Okay, and I'm there on LinkedIn, I'm there on Instagram. So wherever you want to find me, you can just find me with the name Nandini Alagar. I'm there on Twitter also. So Nandini Aragar, basically. Okay, so you can find me there, and please reach out to me, and I'll be very, very happy to help you with all your queries and questions. And if you think this is a good deal, just go and make a purchase straight away. talentcanvas.biz/online workshop. See ya, guys. Take care.